Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about whether to buy or sell now. It's a very difficult question. Let me give you the ultimate beginner's guide. Let's dive in. Crypto execs embrace Trump's pick for SEC chair as change from Gensler's approach. The new SEC chairman, his name is Paul Atkins, the new chairman, and he is, as you can assume, he's a very crypto-friendly figure chosen by Trump's administration. It, and Donald Trump appointed David Sachs to lead AI and crypto at White House. And his name is David Sachs, and he was nominated as Crypto and AI Tsar, which means Crypto AI King, Emperor. Previously, he was one of those PayPal Mafia members, and he is the advisor of ZeroX, which is the DeFi DEX protocol infrastructure related one, ZeroX, and he previously told the Solana and advocated Solana and XRP before, for your information. And he's going to work on legal framework to provide more clarity to cryptocurrencies, which is good news. Donald Trump mentioned as well, congratulations, Bitcoiners 100K. You're welcome. Together we will make America great again. Anyway, this significant milestone, 100K, long-term hodlers are taking profits because they've been waiting for at least 5, 7, 8, even 10 years. It sounds very reasonable for them to take profits at this price level. In my personal opinion, though, this uptrend is likely to continue more. Why? Bitcoin price depends on several factors right now, such as, well, there are many events coming up. On December 10th, Microsoft is going to decide whether to buy Bitcoin or not. On December 18th, Fed is going to make a decision whether to lower interest rates or freeze the rate as before. Currently speaking, Fed is likely to lower interest rates by 25 basis points with 67% probability. For sure, we are waiting job reports in November and the CPI print for sure. We should wait for those figures to be printed. Third, global liquidity index. Fourth, altcoins market cap chart. Let me show. I showed you this, and surprisingly, the global total liquidity index will peak in mid to late December this year, and this will decrease by February next year, which doesn't sound good to crypto price. The liquidity decline is likely to decline in Q1 or Q2 next year, but my personal opinion, this global liquidity will rebound in Q3 or Q4. But we need to take a look at these charts further on. This is another money supply, M2, global money supply. There's 21 central banks around the world. The money printed by 21 central banks around the world. And this chart represents, the black line represents Bitcoin price, whereas sky line and green, this shadow, represent M2, money supply. As you can see here, when money supply was abundant in 2014, the price was not that bad. And in 2016, the money supply was a bit high enough, and Bitcoin price starts to rally till the end of 2017, as you can see here. And after COVID-19 virus outbreak, the central banks around the world, they printed tons of money, as you can see in 2021. And Bitcoin price peaked in November as well as in April, as you can see. Whereas when money supply goes deep underneath, as you can see this orange shadow, the Bitcoin was not that good in 2015, in the early 2019, and in the late of 2022. Bitcoin price is very much related to money supply, as you can see here. And currently speaking, the money supply slightly dipped, whereas Bitcoin price went up, which sounds somewhat weird. So what I'm trying to say here is it goes similar way, but it might not match perfectly. So, and money supply in this green shadow, yes, we're in the area of plus surplus, but it is likely to go underneath a little bit, especially early next year. Just like these orange areas. Because US Treasury Department announced to reduce liquidity, aka QT, by February next year. They announced this. We don't know. We don't have any data afterwards. So we might have some headwinds in Q1 or Q2 next year. So my plan is to take some profits as early as the year end or as late as January 20th, which is the inauguration day of Mr. Donald Trump. Bitcoin price chart. This is the previous all-time high was recorded in November 2021, which was around 65K. And the Bitcoin tried to break out this previous all-time high once, twice, third, fourth, and fifth. Finally, it went up again, and it reached 100K a few days ago. Previous all-time high is working as resistance, and once it just goes above it, it can be the support level later, a year later. My point here is you'd better buy before it breaks out previous all-time high. Not only Bitcoin, but take a look at this total 3 chart. Crypto market cap minus Bitcoin minus Ethereum. It's kind of altcoins market cap. Previous all-time high was recorded in November 2021. As you can see here, nobody can know for sure how it's going to move. Its previous all-time high, I think, can be the resistance now, maybe several times more, and it can be work as support level sometime later. But if you do have real faith in crypto, especially blue chip altcoins, you'd better add some more. Especially blue chip altcoins relatively undervalued before it breaks out, just like Bitcoin did. In my opinion, current price level is not ideal to both buyers and sellers, though. So you'd better think very hard whether to buy, whether to sell. It's a very difficult question, to be honest. Crypto investment strategy guide, in my opinion, if you have been DCAing for the last couple of years, you are the winner. You don't have to watch this type of thing. You just relax, sit back, and watch the game playing. Second, if you haven't, buy the dip now. Or you can wait till the market dips in Q1 or even Q2 next year. Third, don't buy, sell at once. I think DCA when you buy or sell. This can increase the probability of your winning, and this can increase your profit ratio. Fourth, focus on timing rather than items. Timing is everything. Timing is the only thing that you have to pay attention to. Fifth, choose the ones with high convictions only, or you will lose everything. Sixth, if you happen to buy now, pick the ones with least price increase. Compare the current price of your altcoins, or it could be even Bitcoin, with the price of March high, which was local high in March this year. Compare those two prices and pick the ones which haven't, of which the price didn't go up as much as before. Last but not least, take some profits, even though it's just a little bit, especially when the market go bananas. Take some profits in Q1, maybe, in Q2, could be, in Q3 next year, and Q4, finally out the market. That's my plan, I think, and this could be your guide as well. Thank you for listening.